Today I am reviewing the Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly bag canister vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly bag canister vacuum is designed for pet owners and anyone looking for a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use vacuum for their home. With its lightweight design, strong suction, and specialized pet cleaning tools, it aims to make cleaning easier, faster, and more effective across multiple surfaces, from carpets and hardwood floors to furniture and car interiors. Starting with the overall design, the Kenmore 600 series is a bag canister vacuum. Canister vacuums are known for their flexibility, and this model lives up to that reputation. It comes with a swivel head and a multi-surface cleaning capability, which allows it to glide smoothly across different types of flooring. Whether you're cleaning your living room carpet, hardwood floors in the kitchen, or even the interior of your car, the vacuum adapts seamlessly, making it an all-in-one cleaning solution. The 14-inch cleaning width and 12-amp motor provide strong suction power, ensuring that dust, dirt, and debris are picked up efficiently on every surface. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its two-motor system, which enhances suction strength and performance. This design means that the vacuum can maintain high suction even when cleaning carpets or thick rugs, where some single-motor vacuums might struggle. Additionally, the vacuum comes with two floor nozzles, including the exclusive pop-and-go floor brush, which is designed to remove dirt and pet hair effectively. The pop-and-go brush is convenient because it can attach directly to the wand for easy use on bare floors, and its quick-release design makes it simple to switch between tools. For pet owners, the Kenmore 600 series is particularly impressive. It includes a Pet PowerMate attachment, a motorized tool that lifts stubborn pet hair and dirt from carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. This tool is designed to prevent hair from tangling around the brush, making cleanup easier and more efficient. Combined with the included pop-and-go brush, pet hair removal is less of a chore, which is a big advantage for households with dogs, cats, or other furry animals. The vacuum also comes with 3 additional attachments: a crevice tool, a dirt brush, and a bare floor tool. These accessories provide extra versatility, allowing you to reach tight corners, clean up upholstery, dust surfaces, and tackle delicate flooring without causing damage. All these tools can be conveniently stored within the vacuum, keeping everything organized and ready for use. Another key feature of this vacuum is its triple HEPA filter system, which traps 99.97% of dust and dirt particles. This system ensures that even fine dust, allergens, and pet dander are captured and not released back into the air, making it an excellent choice for households concerned about allergies or indoor air quality. The HEPA system works alongside the powerful suction to deliver a thorough and hygienic clean. In terms of ergonomics and convenience, the Kenmore 600 series is designed to be lightweight at just 22.6 pounds, making it easy to move around the house or carry up and down stairs. The aluminum telescoping wand extends up to 10 feet, allowing you to reach high or difficult areas, such as ceiling fans, corners, or under furniture. The vacuum also features a 28-foot retractable cord, providing plenty of reach without constantly switching outlets, which is especially useful in larger homes. The vacuum's thoughtful storage design ensures that all the accessories and attachments fit neatly within the unit itself. This keeps your cleaning area organized and prevents small tools from getting lost. The purple finish gives the vacuum a modern and stylish look, while still being functional and durable for everyday use. Beyond its features, the Kenmore 600 series emphasizes ease of use. Switching between floor types, adjusting the wand length, and changing attachments are all simple and intuitive, which reduces the effort required to complete household cleaning tasks. Its combination of powerful suction, multiple cleaning tools, and HEPA filtration makes it a practical solution for tackling everything from everyday dirt to tough pet hair and allergens. Overall, the Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly bag canister vacuum is a highly capable and versatile cleaning tool. Its strong suction, dual motor system, and multi-surface cleaning capability ensure excellent performance across various floor types. Pet owners will particularly appreciate the Pet PowerMate and pop-and-go brush, which simplify the removal of stubborn hair. The HEPA filter system enhances indoor air quality, while the lightweight design, telescoping wand, and retractable cord make cleaning more convenient and efficient. For anyone looking for a reliable, pet-friendly vacuum that balances power, versatility, and ease of use, the Kenmore 600 series proves to be a standout option. Whether you're tackling everyday dust, deep cleaning carpets, or managing pet hair in your home, this vacuum provides a thorough, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning experience. It's a solid investment for maintaining a cleaner, healthier home with less effort.